My name is Craig Colorusso. I live in Rogers, Arkansas. What my artwork means to me in general is I'm trying to make space to give people a chance to come and just breathe, just feel present, feel in the moment. I think we're all bombarded with information. We all have cell phones, little computers in our pockets, and there's just a lot of chatter and a lot of competing for our attention. And this just gives you a moment to just come and exhale. And I think Sunboxes is a great place to come and just unravel. One of the ways that people engage with the artwork is odd, in my opinion. I think we're all trained to go to performances. And so I sometimes come across the array and I see people standing outside of it. And I don't like telling people what to do, but I encourage them to go inside and be surrounded by the piece, because that's really how it's designed, is to surround you. And so I'm constantly, pleasantly urging people to wander, find the spot that makes the most sense for you, and just hang out there for a bit. Sunboxes is definitely my most prolific piece. It has been all over. It is the one thing I've done overseas. I think Sunboxes, last time I checked, was in 32 or 33 different states, over 50 cities. The first time we did it was in Rhyolite, Nevada, which is 5 miles east of Death Valley. And so it was designed with the desert in mind. And I remember I was living in Massachusetts at the time, driving home thinking, well, that was that. What am I going to do now? And then, a couple, 10, 20 hours later in the drive, I thought, well, wait a second. I live in Massachusetts. It's paradise. I mean, there's grass, there's beaches, there's all kinds of stuff. And so I immediately realized that the environment plays such a big part in the overall effect of Sunboxes that really it can go anywhere that has sun. I think my role as an artist is a little bit different with this particular piece. I try and make myself available. What I've noticed is that because Sunboxes is so calming and soothing, people tend to tell me things, maybe things that people shouldn't tell strangers, but I feel obligated to listen. And in my travels with the Sunnies, I've met amazing, amazing people that have amazing stories. And it just sometimes doesn't seem like they have anyone to tell them to. So I listen. My background in all this comes from music. When I was 14, I started playing guitar. I really wanted to be a rock star. I love music. I mean, I listened to Led Zeppelin, Black Sabbath, all the heavies at the time. And then I got into punk rock and I started to write my own music and traveling all over the country. For better or for worse, I always thought that my music would take me places, literally and figuratively. And so it was very easy to apply that concept to making art. It's a couple things. I mean, it's definitely the tools of my trade, for sure. But with Sunboxes in particular, a lot of times I feel like this is the best band I've ever been in, because everybody plays their parts perfectly and I do all the driving. And it's just easy. I think the connection with STEM and the art that I'm making is that I think I'm old. And so what I remember about my education was most of it was based on memorization. And now, in a sense, we don't need to memorize things the way we once did because we have access to everything all the time. And so I think the emphasis should be on taking all these simple ideas and putting them together and making something new. And I think that's what happened with Sunboxes. Solar power has been around for a while. People have been making music outside. I mean, all these different things, but I somehow was able to put it all together, and it's this idea that I think has really taken off. I think that's the potential with STEM, is really kind of merging different things in unique ways. This is a beautiful campus, and this is the perfect opportunity for Sunboxes to do what I think it's made to do, and that is basically crawl through the campus and explore all the infinite possibilities. I think that's one of the things about Sunboxes, because they're so mobile, that they can go anywhere that they can be moved. And so this presents a perfect opportunity to test that to the limit.